Hello, and thank you for joining. The purpose of this video is to describe who is OptoSigma and why should I consider OptoSigma for purchasing photonics products. So let's get started. So who is OptoSigma? We are a leading global manufacturer of optical systems, assemblies, optical coatings, Opto-Mechanics, and a variety of other photonics products. We have over 19,000 standard items and the desire to manufacture custom solutions for research and industry alike in a variety of fields. Well, the name OptoSigma was born as a California corporation in 1995, and it was under the umbrella of our parent company, Sigma Koki, in Tokyo, Japan. Now, SK was established in 1977, but today, OptoSigma is our global brand name, and we are also known as the Sigma Koki Group. Our motto follows three very important words, and those are appreciation, challenge, and creation. And with that, we employ a Japanese word called Monozukuri, which can be defined as the art, the science, and the craft of manufacturing. It really defines the highest quality standards, and which is really a part of what we put into all of our products and services. Yes, we are manufacturers, and that's really a point we want to get across, is that we have various factories globally throughout Japan, China, and the United States. And it's that global presence that allows us to utilize our resources to better service our customers. And why should I choose OptoSigma? We really get asked this question a lot, and people really want to know what differentiates you from other suppliers. And we have what we call the QCDRS approach. And what we all focus on at OptoSigma is our quality, our cost, value and competitiveness, our delivery, so strong inventory levels and fast shipping of our products or on-time delivery, our responsiveness, and our service. And for our service, we really focus on trying to offer what we call red carpet service. Then fields of application. As you can see, there's a variety here that may look very common. Life sciences and biomedical are a big part of our business, both on the research and the industrial side. In addition to research and development for a variety of different applications, semiconductor, telecom and optical networks, in addition to aerospace and defense. With over 44 years of experience, our team is familiar in working with all types of customers. For our industrial OEM partners, we go through steps from initial concept all the way through to production and project management. Our team will support you through the entire process. So it's our goal to make business convenient, beneficial, and flexible. And for our academic customers, we really have a very convenient academic program, the most convenient you can find anywhere. If you're associated with a university or an education facility, all you need to do is create an account on our website. Once the account's been approved, you will receive your benefits every time you log in and purchase on optosigma.com. From significant discounts to free shipping on most items, and of course what we call our light snack boxes, we have academics at the top of mind and we're genuinely interested to collaborate with you and learn more about your research. Now, the academic program is technically valid only in the Americas. However, we do support academics globally with a variety of different benefits. Okay, well, in the next few slides, I'm going to talk about products. I'm going to show you key product lines, product families, and some new products that we have coming. So let's begin. Optics, you see on the screen, lenses, mirrors, filters, objectives, polarizers. Yes, again, we manufacture these, whether it's thousands of stock optics to one custom optic that's very specific with challenging requirements. We're here for you, and we want to see your requirements. In addition to components, we also design and manufacture optical assemblies and modules. Optical thin film coatings. We have a significant amount of experience in applications from flight to space-rated optics to biomedical, sensing, and much more. In the USA, you can take advantage of one of our over 100 standard coating designs in a make-to-order fashion, utilizing our catalog optics or your supplied substrates. And at our facility in Japan, we manufacture a large variety of coatings, including high finesse. For example, we manufacture super mirrors. These would be 5.9 reflectivity, super low loss, and we're developing the next step, 6.9 reflectivity, to aim for less than 1 ppm in loss. Now, we can coat a variety of different types of substrates and types of coatings that I won't go into depth here, but whether it's anti-reflective, reflective, filters, dichroics, we have a huge selection and portfolio of types of coatings that we can do. We humbly believe that we have the best manual translation stages in the industry. It's because our stages employ not only high quality, high performance, but technology that is different than you'll find from any other company at the lowest prices. From our patented steel extended contact stages that start in 25 millimeter footprints and go up to hundreds of millimeters, to our huge lineup of goniometers and rotation stages, in addition to our OEM dovetail stages. We have a huge variety that can really fit the need for any type of application. And we also have the ability to configure multi-axis stacks. If you have an application that requires multi-axis positioning, whether it's positioning a small optic for a bonding application in a manufacturing process, or it's just a very fine alignment that you need multi-axis for, we can take our standard catalog stages and we can configure them in a way that meets all of your requirements, whether it's the envelope, the precision on various axes, or it's the cost. We can take all of those into account and do some really creative multi-axis stacks. We also manufacture and offer motorized translation stages, systems, and controllers. From nanometer to micron resolution, again, we have a large variety of sizes and types to meet a variety of applications. I encourage you to compare our published specifications and in particular our methods of measurements, which we do publish and share, because they focus on the testing methods of how the stages will actually perform in real use environments. Next are a group of optical microscopy products and what we call sometimes our modular microscopes. On the right-hand side of the screen, the inspection system that you see there is featuring our OUCI, which is really the black body imaging module. OUCI standing for Optical Unit with Coaxial Illumination. That body can be used and configured to create a variety of different types of either inspection systems or inline use for industrial. We have modules that will allow you to attach or integrate coaxial laser lines as well. So there's really a large variety. I'm not showing you all of them here, but the idea is that you can configure your own types of imaging systems and modules. On the left-hand side, you'll see a module that's standing upright. That is our optical zoom microscopes. They come in either manual or motorized versions. Again, they allow coaxial illumination. And the key with these is that we have versions that can accept objective lenses that are industry standard, or the photograph is showing one of our own objective lenses that enables working distances up to 500 millimeters. And you can see the image that's in the center on the top is one of our optical zoom microscopes mounted on a tripod looking through a vacuum chamber. So very high resolution and really cool features that enable you to do a variety of different things. And then lastly on this slide, I'm showing a quick peek at our new Opto-Nano 200 super resolution microscope, and I'll talk more about that on the coming slides. Okay, we have a whole presentation at PW that's focused on new products, and it goes much more in depth. I'm just showing you a quick little snippet here of 3 products I mentioned a moment ago about our Opto-Nano super resolution microscope. And this is a system that literally is a microscope, so it operates in an ambient environment, but it also utilizes a technique with a microsphere that enables imaging below the diffraction limit. So this type of technique is faster, very little sample prep, and of course much less expensive than other types of traditional methods that are on the market today. In addition, I'm showing you some new piezo actuators with either 6.5 or 13 millimeter stroke, and our MHX mirror mounts. These are brand new. There are highly unique designs. Features include a hollow frame, epoxy wells for mounting your mirror in place, center post mounting, which really enables the mount to act as a gimbal, and they're highly thermally stable. They've been tested thoroughly. We have the data to share with you. All of that for the industry's lowest price for a commercially available stainless steel mount family. We manufacture our own objective lenses. We design and manufacture our own objective lenses. And we have lineups for the ultraviolet, the visible, and the near IR. These incorporate long working distances, high numerical apertures, and again, the lowest pricing in the industry, and I can say with confidence, by far. We really encourage you to do some comparisons here. Making these in-house enables us to have some aggressive pricing, but with our experience, we also produce objectives that have really high performance. So you can see a variety of specs and bullets here, from 2x to 100x magnification. These are ideal for bright field imaging, but also for laser processing. So these are designed, a lot of these are designed where they're corrected for both the visible range for viewing, but also for the laser wavelengths, whether it's the UV or the near IR. OptoSigma.com. If you have not visited our site recently, I can tell you that we've made some huge improvements. In particular, the speed of our site, the organization and layout of our products, in addition to the content, product guides, and information to really help you make a decision. You can make quick, convenient purchases online from stock inventory for quick delivery. And the site has a lot of built-in features like 3D viewers for our stages, online chat support from our inside sales and application specialists. So we encourage you to jump on our site, take a look at the products, let us know if you have any questions, and ideally be able to purchase very conveniently and get the product when you need it. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you will contact us soon. If you have any questions, all of our contact info and regional locations can be found on the website at www.optosigma.com. Thank you very much.